Today I'll be presenting the ThirdReality Zigbee Smart Blind. ThirdReality blinds feature an affordable price, hassle-free installation, multiple means of control, and they are directly compatible with Echo devices and various ZigBee Hubs. This means they're natively compatible with SmartThings and SmartThings Aeotec Hubs. Before I tell you more about this truly innovative smart blind, I'd like to encourage you to check out my previous reviews on ThirdReality devices. ThirdReality makes three very unique sensors, which include a leak sensor, a motion sensor, and a door contact sensor. All of these sensors are powered by two AA batteries. Powering these devices with AA batteries provides convenience in battery maintenance, and it also gives you longer battery life. You may check out these three fantastic sensors by clicking on the video link in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Let me begin with a review disclaimer. ThirdReality was gracious enough to send me this blind so that I could do this review, but as usual, they sent their product with the understanding that they would not have any influence over the video's content. As a result, you'll be receiving my unbiased opinions on the features which I consider good, as well as some features which I'd like to see improved. So what's in the box? ThirdReality ships its blind with a product manual, AA Alkaline batteries, an RF remote, drywall anchors, mounting screws, and mounting hardware to include two types of mounting brackets. What about the blind's power source? The smart blind's motor is powered by 4 AA batteries. The batteries are touted to last for up to 6 months of normal use. The battery's compartment is conveniently located at the bottom of the blind. The compartment can be easily accessed by removing a single Phillips head screw. So what are the blinds made of? The ThirdReality blinds are made of a durable, hot-rolled, non-woven fabric and aluminum foil. They are waterproof and have a smooth texture. The aluminum foil design gives these shades the ability to block UV rays and also provides for better insulation performance, which can result in energy savings. The shades are capable of blocking 90% of sunlight for improved sleep quality. The shade is offered in one neutral sort of stone color that should match the decor of most homes. Let's talk a bit about your blind sizing options. The blind is currently available on Amazon with width options ranging from 27 inches up to 38 inches. The blind's length can be set to a maximum of 72 inches. If you're mounting the blind within a window well, there is no need to set the lower limit because the blind is equipped with a bottom sensor, which will automatically detect the windowsill to trigger the blind to stop. For surface mounting, you can program the lower limit of the shade, and the shade will then remember that limit going forward. Let's talk a bit about blind mounting. I decided to mount this blind in my garage at a window that is behind the right side of my workbench. The reason I selected this location is because the window faces to the west, and the late afternoon sun makes it difficult to work at the bench without a suitable shade. Mounting the blind was simple and straightforward. I mounted my blind outside the window frame using the wall surface mounts and the provided screws. The bracket's spring clip design permits an easy and secure blind installation. You just insert the top of the blind mounting track on the teeth of the clip and then snap the bottom of the blind into place. Let's talk about installing the ThirdReality blind in an app. To install these blinds in a compatible Amazon Echo Hub, simply ask Miss A to discover devices once the blind is in pairing mode. The pairing mode is initiated by installing the batteries or just by holding the middle pause button on the lower part of the blind. Pairing mode is signified when the blind's pairing light begins flashing red. To install the blinds in the SmartThings app, select Add a new device and then tap on Scan Nearby. The red light will stop flashing once the shades are discovered. Let's talk about compatible hubs. The blinds may be controlled by using your voice, by the provided RF remote, or via routines created in your SmartThings or your Miss A app. The blind is compatible with Echo Plus first and second generation, Echo Studio, Echo Show 10, Echo 4th generation, and other standard 3.0 ZigBee Hubs like SmartThings, Eero 6, Eero 6 Pro, Home Assistant, Hubitat, and the ThirdReality Smart Hub. Let me talk a little bit about areas that I can see for improvement. One possible limitation that I see with the blind is the single color offering. ThirdReality states that this neutral color may fit most decors, which implies that it may not be suitable for all decors. Additionally, the ThirdReality blind operates slightly slower than the other blinds that I have reviewed. When compared side by side to my SmartWings shade, you can clearly see that the SmartWings shade opens at a faster pace than the ThirdReality shade, which is certainly not a deal breaker. As for the motor noise, the ThirdReality blind operates at a relatively quiet noise level, similar to my ZemisMart and my SmartWings blind motors. I have one concern about the ThirdReality blind's motor, which may be entirely unfounded. That concern is whether the motor will be substantial enough to last for the long term. The motor sounds a little bit labored when opening on the up cycle as compared to my other blinds, which have tubular motors. I guess time will tell whether the motor is substantial enough to last for the long haul. Let me talk about some of the things that I like about the ThirdReality blind. I very much like the blind's appearance. The shade is attractive, and its accordion-like design is innovative, somewhat mesmerizing, and very fun to watch. The shade is offered at a reasonable base cost that is comparable to most other smart blinds. There are no extra costs other than the incremental cost of $1 per inch over the base width, which is only necessary if you require a blind that's greater than 27 inches. There are no other upcharges for the items such as a remote control, a different blind motor, a solar panel, or decorative features like a blind cassette or valance. The shade is simple in design and it's super easy to mount. The blind is directly compatible with ZigBee Hubs, and setup in the SmartThings, Aeotec, or compatible Amazon Echo Hubs is straightforward and easy. If you're looking for an affordable blind that is attractive, easy to mount, and easy to install, and if you want the convenience of powering your blind with standard AA batteries, then this blind is definitely for you. So I trust you found today's episode helpful. I appreciate your time, and hopefully I made good use of it. Until my next episode, keep automating, and God bless.